Kasi previously, I used to do PowerPoint lang. Pero ang napansin ko, mas okay pala kung meron akong discussions on the board and then discussions on the PowerPoint. Okay? So, bonds payable tayo. Okay? Saan natin makikita ang bonds payable? Of course, under liabilities. Okay? Before that, can you just comment yes? You can hear me, you can see my board. Okay, so para hindi masayang na I continuously discuss and then hindi naman pala okay yung audio or yung camera ko. If you can see it clearly, then I'll proceed. Okay, can you just comment CPA Dreams? Okay, that means a signal for me to continue with my discussion. Okay? Okay, that is clear. Thank you so much for those that are commenting CPA Dreams. Okay, that's good. Okay. So let's move on. Bonds payable. Okay, so let's define bonds first. Okay, ito lang, very simple actually. When you see payable, it goes on to liabilities. Okay? So ibig sabihin, papasok na yan sa total equity. Okay, so bigyan ko lang ng pinaka-basic. No? Pinaka-basic tayo, payable. Kasi pagka pinansin mo yung payable, meron yang papasok sa current liabilities and non-current liabilities. So, pag dinuktungan na ng another word, accounts payable, that is current liabilities, that is payable to the suppliers. Now, paano naman pag sinabing bonds? Okay, and why companies do issue bonds? Okay, yan yung kasing mga main questions. Bago tayo magpunta doon para mas madali mong maintindihan. Those companies that grown so much, okay, pagpalagay na natin they are listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Kasi di ba nag-uumpisa ang company, sole proprietorship, partnership, and then private corporation, and then publicly listed. Okay, let's say lumaki na yung company. The company needs an investor. Okay, so kung ang company kailangan niya ng investor, he needs to raise funds. Kailangan niya, let's say, cash. Okay? Kailangan niya ng cash. So, ang gagawin niya, mag-i-issue siya ng bonds. Okay? That is one way only of raising funds. Okay? So, bonds. Ikaw ang issuer. Okay? Ngayon, let's define ano ba yung bonds? Okay? So, in the point of view of PFRS. Okay? Or Financial Reporting Standards. So, bonds payable. Okay, actually, this is related in the topic which is investment on bonds or securities. Okay, but this time, we are the issuer. Okay, nasa point of view tayo ng issuer. So, tayo ang magre-receive ng proceeds. Usually, it's cash. Okay, and then, ito is a contract of debt. Okay, kaya papasok siya sa liabilities. Okay? Kasi technically, this is a contract of debt. Okay? Kailangan mong bayaran ang pinaka-investors. Okay? Tayo is borrowers. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa meaning. Ito yung meaning niya actually. So, let me write it. Okay? A formal, unconditional promise. Okay? Parang love lang. Okay? Unconditional promise. Ikaw ba pag nagmahal, unconditional din ba? Okay? Wala sa totoong buhay. Okay? Hindi talaga ginagawang unconditional ang pagmamahal. Laging merong kondisyon. Okay? But we can do that. Only God gives an unconditional promise. Okay? Made under seal. Okay? Ibig sabihin, this is under seal to pay. Okay, from the word pay here already relating to liabilities. At, okay, sabihin natin, at a determinable, okay, at a determinable future date. Ibig sabihin, hindi agad-agad babayaran ni company. Okay, ang investor may specific date. Then, sabi dito sa definition, to make, okay, to make a periodic interest payment. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong magbayad ng interest. Okay? Sa totoong buhay, okay? Katulad lang ng Bombay, 5-6. O di ba? Bakit sila nagpapairam ng pera? Kasi gusto nila merong interest na marireceive. So ganun din ang investors, no? Ang purchaser ng bonds, okay? Ibig sabihin, sila is maghihintay ng interest payments. Okay? Yan yon. Hindi pwedeng walang kapalit. Okay? Ang pagmamahal, wala yang hinihinging kapalit. Pero ang bonds, meron kapalit. Okay? Laging tatandaan, meron yang interest payment na mangyayari. Hindi pwedeng wala. Okay? Pag sinabi natin, at kailan? At stated, okay, at stated rate until the principal sum is paid. Okay, at the principal sum is paid. Ibig sabihin, okay, yung stated rate, okay, meron ditong binanggit, stated rate. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin po ng stated rate, yan yung nominal rate natin. Okay? So, nominal rate. Okay? Ito yung magiging interest payment rate mo. Okay? Interest paid. Okay? Diyan tayo magbe-base ng ating interest na babayaran. Kaya importanteng intindihin yan. Okay? Now, pag sinabi kasing interest payment, balikan ko lang, interest payment. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, no? Pagka interest payment, 'di ba? Ang ibig sabihin pala ang bonds mo is usually interest bearing liability. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi pala siya non-interest bearing. Hindi katulad ng mga notes payable. Okay? Na pwedeng non-interest bearing, pwedeng interest bearing. So, usually, kasama yan. So kaya minsan, yan yung nagpapalito sa problem. Okay, nalilito ka. Alin ang kukunin mo? Yung stated rate ba? Yung effective rate ba? Yung market rate ba? Okay, so iintindihin nating mabuti yan. Okay, so that is the main reason andito ka ngayon for sure. Okay, para matuto. Now, yung parties, okay, sa bonds payable. Ang parties mo dyan, the issuer. Ikaw na nagbebenta. Okay? Now, yung cash marireceive mo, yun yung proceeds, okay? And then, sa purchaser or investor, kailangan mong ibalik. Okay? Kailangan mong ibalik. And usually, I'm paid in cash. Okay? So, kaya nangyayari kung babalikan sa asset part. Okay? Kasi, doon sa unang mga part is nandiyan tayo sa investment on bonds. So, babaliktarin mo lang siya. Okay, so kung tutusin, kung naintindihan mo yung investments, no? Kung naintindihan mo yon, then madali na lang ang bonds payable kasi kabaliktaran lang naman siya. Okay, now let's move on. Punta tayo dun sa, kasi ang kalimitan din namang tinatanong is the initial measurement of bonds payable. Tama? Okay, kasi lagi naman yan, no? Mapa-current asset, kahit anong account, laging merong initial measurement na ginagawa sa financial accounting and reporting. Okay? Kailangan meron tayong initial measurement. O paano mo siya i-record? Okay? Usually, yan yung mga tanong. What is the issue price of the bonds? Okay? Ganyan lagi. Okay? Now, para makita natin. Okay? Sa initial measurement, ganito yan. Actually, dalawa lang naman yan lagi. Okay? Natatandaan mo yung initial measurement ng bonds. Medyo malabo lang yung aking malabo ba yung marker ko? Okay, hindi ko alam kung bakit medyo malabo yata yung marker na nabili. Okay? Ang tanong, initial measurement, how much you will record? Okay, yung initial mo na bonds. Okay? How much you will record? Yan lagi naman yung tanong. Okay, sa multiple choice questions, yan lang yon. And then, subsequently, ang tanong, what is the carrying amount of the bonds? Okay, so yan lang lagi ang mga tanong sa FAR, okay, relating to bonds, okay? Pero medyo magpapahirap dyan ng konti later, yung mga may interest na, semi-annual, yung present value, okay? Yan yung mga magpapahirap dyan, okay? Na probably, some of the students, hindi nila na-realize, madali lang yan. Okay, so we'll go through that. Now, ang measurement natin dyan, dalawa. Okay, sa initial. Okay, sinasabi lagi sa problem din, eto yan. Fair value option with designation. Okay, fair value option, ang sabihin ko meron designation. So, ibig sabihin designated through profit and loss. Okay, so ito yung fair value through profit and loss. Okay, designated siya. Yung isa is fair value option without designation. Okay, so hindi siya designated. Okay, now, anong difference nila? Okay, dito kasi sa initial measurement nito, okay, kung yan ay true profit and loss, ang mangyayari dyan, pwede niyang measurement first is cash price. Okay? Kung magkano ang na-receive actual cash. Okay? Kung hindi sinabi, then go on to quoted price. Okay? Now, kung wala pa rin yung quoted price, saan na? Dito tayo sa present value. Okay? Pero usually, of course, hindi naman binibigay na madali. Ang laging kinukuha natin is ang present value. Okay? Ganyan na nangyayari. But don't worry, I will explain anong present value ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa fair value option naman. Okay? Dito kasi, na without designation, ang nangyayari dyan, ang calculations natin, same lang, pero okay, ang nangyayari, fair value less transaction cost. Okay? Ito ang main difference nila. Transaction cost. Ano yung transaction cost? Yun yung tinatawag na bond issue cost. So, nileless siya. Okay? Bond issue cost. Dito, sa P&L, fair value through profit or loss, automatically expense immediately ang bonds issue cost mo. Okay? Yung transaction cost kasi, nagbabayad ka ng printing, engraving, ng certificate, no? Registration, underwriter. So, those are bond issue costs na kailangan ibawas dito sa fair value. Again, without designation. Okay, usually sinasabi sa problem, no, kung yan ay true profit or loss. Okay? Now, siguro punta tayo dun sa calculation ng present value. Okay? So siguro magbigay ako ng konting discussion about time value of money. Okay? Kasi yan naman talaga yon. Okay? And how to compute yung present value natin. Okay, so punta muna tayo sa time value of money. But again, screenshot, this is very important. Kasi dyan nalilito ang estudyante kung alin yung gagamitin mo. Okay, screenshot nito. Medyo pangit yung penmanship ko. Huwag mo nang pansinin. Ang mahalaga, yung nilalaman niya. Okay? Now, pupunta tayo sa time value of money. Okay? Yun ang magiging discussion natin. Okay? Punta tayo sa time value of money. Okay? Paki-ready rin ang mga calculator natin. Okay? I will teach you how to calculate present value through an electronic calculator without using a scientific calculator. Okay? So, paki-ready din. Okay? Punta tayo ng konti. Discussion about time value of money. Okay? Kasi very important na intindihan mo ang time value of money. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, ang time value of money kasi, money is very important, right? Okay, can you define what is money for you? Okay? Ang iba ang definition is, money is the root of all evil. Money is, anong tawag doon? Grows on trees. Alam mo yung ganun. Doesn't grow on trees. Okay, but money is a useful tool. Okay, para sa akin, money is a useful tool that can be, okay, that can be used, no, for us to buy so many things. Okay, to live a life of fulfillment as well. Okay, so yan yon. Ang money, ang problema kasi sa money, ganito yan. Okay, yung current value of money now will not be the same value in the future. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung 10 piso mo ngayon, in the near future, kukonti na lang ang mabibili ng 10 piso. Like for example, yung bigas natin, okay? Yung sinandoming, magkano ang presyo niya ngayon? 1 kilong bigas. Can you comment? Magkano ang 1 kilo ng bigas ngayon na sinandomen? Then I will tell you how much during my time. Okay? Alam niyo ba ang 1 kilo ng bigas ngayon? Can you just comment kung magkano? Gusto ko malaman. No? Para I will tell you kung magkano nung time ko. 45 pesos. Okay? 45 pesos. Okay? During my time, okay? During my time, nung I think college pa ako, kasi bumibili ako ng sa dormitory ako pumapasok, so nagluluto ako ng bigas, rice cooker, I think that is 27 pesos lang. Okay, so can you imagine today it's 45. Okay, so yun yung ibig sabihin ng time value of money. Ang ibig sabihin lang niya, the money that you will have today will not be the same in the future. Okay, it will not have the same value. Okay? Why? Because of inflation. Okay? Kasi merong inflation na nangyayari, mga kapatid. Okay? So, kaya kailangan natin ng investments. Okay? So, yun yung main reason. Maglalagay ang investor ng pera sa bonds. Of course, ini-expect niya na yung pera is lalago. Merong return. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, lalaki siya. Okay? That's the main reason. That's the main concept of time value of money. Okay? Now, how to compute present value? Okay? Puntahan muna natin yung anong tawag doon? Yung ibig niya talagang sabihin. Kasi ang present value of money, ganito yan sa actual. Okay? This is amount equals to inflow. Okay? Whatever is the inflow of the company, multiply by the present value factor. Okay? Yan yung calculation ng present value natin. Okay? Ganyan ang normal calculations. Now, meron tayong 3 ginagamit. Okay? Now, yung present value factor of 1. Okay, ganito na lang gagawin ko. Present value factor of 1. Kailan yung ginagamit? Meron pa yan. Present value. Okay, ito. Dito na tayo sa pinaka-importante ha. Present value of ordinary annuity. Okay, 3 lang naman yan lagi na pinamimilian. Present value of ordinary annuity of 1. Okay? Then, ang isa pa is present value of annuity due. Okay? Yan yung napansin mo sa mga problems, yan lagi yung 3 na binabanggit. So, kailan mo gagamitin yung present value of 1, kailan mo gagamitin yung present value of ordinary annuity, kailan mo gagamitin yung present value of annuity due. Okay? So, dyan tayo nalilito. Ngayon, pasimplihin lang natin. Okay? Yung present value of 1, kailan siya ginagamit? One-time payment. Okay? Or, okay, meron pa tayong paggagamitan. Ibig sabihin, eto pala, kalimitan ginagamit sa principal. Okay? Now, sa interest, gagamitin mo rin yan kung periodic payments uneven. Okay? Ang binabalik is uneven. Okay? Yan yung paggagamitan mo ng present value of 1. Okay, now, doon tayo sa present value of ordinary annuity of 1. Okay? Diyan sa present value of ordinary annuity of 1, usually, ginagamit yan at the end of the period. Ibig sabihin, magbabayad ka. You are going to do a payment at the end of 1 period. Or let's say, after 1 year. Okay, usually, ginagamit to sa interest. Always. Kasi ang interest, semi-annually, annually. Okay, so yan yung dyan natin minumultiply at the end of 1 period. Okay, now, kailan pa ginagamit yan? Ginagamit din yan kung, okay, ito yung at the end of 1 period. Ginagamit din yan kung even, okay, ang periodic payments or even periodic payments. Okay, dito naman is even yung payment mo. Okay, now, present value of annuity due. Okay, eto naman at day 1. Pag sinabi at day 1 pa lang, okay, magbabayad ka na. Naka-receive ka, pagkatapos kailangan mo na rin kagad bayaran ang investor mo or ang purchaser mo. So ngayon, ang kailangan mong gawin is bayaran sila. Okay? At day 1. Okay? Pagka sinabi sa problem na kailangan na silang bayaran at day 1, then that is present value of annuity due. Okay? Now, tatandaan, yung periodic interest payments, laging present value of ordinary annuity. Okay? Kasi this is based on passage of time. Okay? This is based on passage of time. Now, usually, given naman yan sa problem. Pero, okay, pinahihirapan tayo sometimes, di ba? Pinahihirapan tayo ng BOA. Okay, tinatanggal nila ang present value factor. Okay, so ngayon, what I want to do is, let's do sample calculations in our calculator. Okay, so pwede bang kunin mo ang calculator mo, okay, para mabigyan kita ng sample calculations, okay? Get your calculator. Ako, kukunin ko din ang calculator ko just a moment. Okay, pakikuha ng mga calculator. Okay, kahit normal calculator lang para maturuan kita kung paano tayo magka-calculate ng present value. Okay? Now, magbigay ako ng sample. Okay? Para magawa natin. Okay, wait. Yung eraser ko. Okay? Present value of 1, present value of ordinary annuity, and then present value of annuity due. Yan yung kukunin natin sa normal calculator. Okay? So, paano yan ginagawa? Okay? So, gawin natin yan paano kung hindi binigay sa problem. So, at least ikaw, alam mo kung paano siya i-calculate. Diba? Again, hindi nawawala kasi ito. Lagi yung kasama. And magagamit mo rin naman siya sa management advisory services. Okay? Or sa MS. Okay? Ginagamit yan para sa mga net present value. Okay? Now, let's say, okay, given, okay, paki-ready ng mga calculator natin. Given is, let's say 12% ang interest rate. 12%. Pagkatapos, ang years is 3 years. Okay? 3 taon na kailangan bayaran. Now, paano mo gagawin sa calculator yan? Okay? So, simple lang. Okay? Gawin muna natin ulit. Isa-isa yung kailangan natin. Present value of 1. Okay? Present value factor of 1. Present value of ordinary annuity. Okay? And then, present value of annuity due. Okay? So, 3 ang kailangan nating kuning present value. Okay? Now, let's get ready with our calculator. Okay, sige. Hawakan ko rin yung calculator ko. Okay. Now, what you need to do is, di ba, 12%. Okay? So, input in your calculator, 1.12. Okay? So, add mo lang yung 1. So, 1.12%. Okay? Dito sa problem, ang given is 12%. Okay? Now, 12% yan. Diba? So, 1.12 ngayon, kailangan natin siyang i-divide by 2. Okay? So, let's divide it by 2. Kailangan lumabas yung K. Okay? So, dapat merong K na lalabas. Okay? Now, na-divide mo na into 2, kailangan mag-appear yung K. Okay? Ngayon, nag-appear na yung K. Okay? Anong kailangan nating gawin? Okay? Kailangan i-click natin one time yung equal sign. Okay? So, nag-equal sign, lumabas 1. Correct? Okay, 1. Now, after mong nalagay yung 1, kailangan nating mag-M+. Okay, ilang periods? Diba sabi 3 years. Okay, so mag-M+ ka for 3 times. Okay, so M+, M+, M+ ka. M+, M+, M+. So 3 times. Okay? Ngayon, eto na yung present value factor of 1. Okay, gawin lang natin 4 decimal places. So that is 0.7118. Okay? Ang nakalagay dito, 0.7117. Okay, now, paano mo naman kukunin ang present value factor of ordinary annuity in this case? Okay? Now, ang gagawin mo lang, okay, since nandiyan na yan. Okay, ang gagawin mo is, i-memory recall mo lang MR, kung meron kang MR sa calculator, or MRC. Yun na yung present value of ordinary annuity. Okay, let's try. So, memory recall, anong lumabas? 2.4018. So, yun na yun. 2.4018. Okay, so yun yung present value factor of ordinary annuity. Okay, now, nag-appear na siya. Paano mo naman ngayon kukunin ang present value of annuity due? Okay, paano mo kukunin yun? Okay, so ngayon, no, nag-appear na siya 2.4018. Simple lang, di ba? 12%. Okay, nag-start tayo 1.12 yung in-input natin. So, i-multiply mo lang siya into 1.12. Ang makukuha mo is 2.6901. Okay? Yung 2.6901, okay, rounded up, okay, yun yung ating present value factor of annuity due. Okay? So, yan yung laging tatlong pinamimilian. Okay? So, yun na yun. Okay? Kung gusto mong i-check, i-check mo sa table of present value. Pero yan yun. Okay? So, now, depending lang sa decimal places na hinihingi, yun yung pag-calculate. Okay? Pag sinabi rounded up to 2, round up to 3, so i-round up mo lang siya. Okay? Again, so madali lang na-calculate natin using our normal electronic calculator. Okay? So, madali lang mga kapatid. So, alam mo na, kayang-kaya mo nang how can I say it? Kayang-kaya mo nang mag-answer ng problem. Okay? Usually, okay, how to compute yung present value natin? Usually, pagka nag-compute tayo ng present value, laging ang calculation ganito. Usually, okay? Usually is principal, okay, plus yung sum nila, periodic interest. Okay? Yan laging dalawa kasama sa calculation natin. Okay? Pagka term bonds, one-time payment, principal. Okay? Multiply mo sa present value factor of 1. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Okay? Now, punta lang ako ng konti dun sa discussions about the rates. Okay? Punta tayo sa rates. Okay? Punta tayo sa rates. Okay? Papaano ginagamit naman ang interest rates? Okay? Di ba kasi dalawa lagi ang rates na nag-a-appear. mga kapatid. Para hindi tayo malito, eto siya. Iniiba-iba lang kasi anong iniiba? Iniiba lang ang name ng interest rates. But they have a different meaning. Okay? So, ano yung rates na yon? Yung nominal rate, okay? And yung effective rate. Okay? Ayan lagi ang pinag-aawayan. Kaya nagkakamali. Okay? Pag sinabing nominal rate, mga other terms. Okay? Ano yung mga other terms dyan? Coupon rate. Stated rate. Okay? Okay? I-define natin. Ang ibig sabihin nito actually, dito natin i-base ang interest payments. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag binase mo dyan yung interest payments, this is agreed by the lender and borrower. Okay? Usually, na-mention na kagad yan. Now, yung effective rate. Okay? Ito naman yung tinatawag na yield rate. Ito rin yung tinatawag na market rate. Okay? Ito yung real rate natin. Ito talaga yung totoong rate na current rate natin. Okay? Now, dito, ibig sabihin pala, kung ito ay interest payments, no? Lahat ng interest natin, dito natin i-base. Ito, dito naman natin i-base ang ating interest expense. Okay? Ito expense, ito payments or paid. Okay? So, yun yung tatandaan mo. That's very important. Okay? Now, lagyan naman natin, dito natin i-identify kung may discount or premium. Okay? Pag yan ay pareho lang, walang discount or premium. So, ibig sabihin, at par. Same lang lahat. Okay? Now, papaano? Okay, sige. Pakita natin ng konti. Paano kung yung nominal rate? Okay? Yung nominal rate, okay? Paano kung ang nominal rate is greater than effective rate? Okay? So, mas malaki. Ano ang kalalabasan nila? Okay? Meron tayo diyang premium. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, no? Ibig sabihin, dito is yung present value na na-calculate mo is greater than the face value. Okay? Okay? Now, kung ang nominal rate naman, okay, is less than effective rate, okay, ang kalalabasan naman yan is discount. Okay? So, eto lagi yan tinatanong sa kahit mga theories lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin, mas maliit yung interest. Okay? So, kabaliktaran din lang pala to. Ang mangyayari is, yung present value naman is less than the face value. Okay? So, paki-absorb. Yan yung very important. Absorb mo kasi nasa theories yan. Okay? So, I'll give you a time to screenshot and absorb this. Kasi tinatanong to sa theory sa mga true or false or multiple choice questions. Yan yon. Okay? Again, madali lang naman yan. Magbibigay tayo ng mga sample. Okay? So, just absorb it. Okay? Now, pwede na tayo sigurong pumunta sa mga sample problems and sa PowerPoint na ginawa ko. Okay? So, punta naman tayo dun sa PowerPoint, sa summary. So, ang ginawa ko is, I showed you few concepts. Now, punta tayo sa theories naman. Okay? Konting theories. And ang theories na to is coming from my summary notes din naman. Kung ano yung diniscuss ko, yun din yung nandito. But for you to really absorb it, so yun yung tawag doon is actually repetition, iteration. Okay? Paulit-ulit lang. Okay? Kasi once you repeat it, then the easier for you to remember it while answering the theory of accounts and financial accounting and reporting, and then ganun din sa auditing kasi we are hitting two birds, no, in one stone. Kasi mag-a-appear to sa theory of accounts, financial accounting and reporting, and then auditing. Okay, now ready? Can you say yes if you are still there? Or comment CPA Dreams, no? Now I will share my screen para sa actual PowerPoint ko naman. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video lesson. If you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button below.